In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Metal and clip your gameplay. So the first thing you want to do is you want to install Metal on your device. So over here, I'm using it on my computer, and let me show you how to set this up. So the first thing you're going to do when you log into your account or create a new account, you're going to see a bunch of different steps. Just go through those, and then there we go. This is what you're going to see once you are ready with setting up your account. So it's going to say launch a game, press F8 on your keyboard, and then upload and share. However, before that, I would recommend you actually go down here to settings and set some settings up. So let's begin. First, clip settings. Now over here, you want to make sure you go under this first part where it says clipping hotkeys, and then you set the length of your clips. You can do that up here as well. So whenever you press F8 on your keyboard, what this will do is it will save you the last 15 seconds of your gameplay. However, you can extend this to upwards of 3 minutes. So 15 seconds is the least and 3 minutes is the most. So you can do that over here. You can set it however you want. You can change it to another keybind or whatever you want to do. Now down here, you can set full session recording if you want to. You can select how to make screenshots if you want to as well. You can turn on the game switch hotkey, and this one, which is very interesting, is the voice clipping. So you can just use your voice and say Metal clip that, and then it will basically clip for you according to those preferences set up here. So that's the first thing. Quality is the second one, so you want to make sure you set your quality however you want it. I have it on custom, but over here you can set it however you want. Then audio, you should basically either allow it to record PC audio or record a game audio only, or record game audio and Discord audio only. So you can select your output and input devices, etc. Okay, so you have a lot of different options over here, and of course you can set these however you want. Now you can go to camera. In case you have a camera overlay, you can use that over here. And then you have the screen recording function where you can basically screen recording on app start can be enabled or disabled. You can switch to game recording on game launch, etc. So we can just read through this and make sure you actually set everything according to your own needs, okay? Over here, you can also set custom game settings for your favorite games, and then you can also make auto clipping available in case that's what you want to do in here, okay? So here's your cloud and storage. You have your PC storage, and then you have your Metal Cloud storage, and then inside here you can see everything regarding your account, which we are not going to touch on right now because, of course, as I said, the most important part is this up here. So your quality of your recording up here, which you can set without even going into settings, which is very, very convenient, and the length of your clips as well as the hotkey or keybind, okay? So default is going to be F8 and then length 15 seconds with this resolution over here. Again, you can change that if you want to. Then what you're going to want to do if you want to start clipping is you simply want to open up a game. It says launch a game. Metal will detect it automatically. As you can see, I'm running Roblox here in the back. You can see I have it open over here. And when I'm running this, it's going to say that I'm currently clipping this. And then whatever I'm playing, I can just click on F8 on my keyboard, so I can just press that button, and then it will record the last 15 seconds of my gameplay. I mean, after that, of course, you can go to upload and share, and then over here, you can just basically review, edit, and share all the clips you take, okay? So that's essentially what it is. Now, let me show you how this works. So here, if I just open up Roblox, scroll around a bit, and let's say I was just playing a game. So actually, let me just go into a random game over here, and I'll show you. Oh, I'm actually getting a notification right now. No biggie. Let's just go into a different one. For example, this one. There we go. Oh, I may have to update Roblox. Okay, no big deal. It's gonna still work. So over here, I can just press F8 on my keyboard. And there we go, the sound played and said save the last 15 seconds. And then again, if I go down here and if I click that again, there we go, did it again, and then again. So right now I'm clipping. And let me close this down and go back to Metal over here. And as you can see, inside my library, I now have 3 different clips, which I just got from my gameplay over there. You were able to see that. There's the 3 clips, and it's now uploading to my cloud over here, as you can see. And then it's going to say whenever that's happened. Now you can copy the link so you can share the clip, or of course you can view it and edit it right in here instantly, okay, which is amazing if you ask me. Now over here, of course, inside the library, you can then edit all this and do basically use your clips however you want them. You can also basically just copy the links, put them in albums, add hashtags, add people. You can delete them, send them to Discord, etc. So whatever you want to do can be done in here inside your library. So that's pretty much it. That's the basic usage of Metal, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.